Assalamualaikum, welcome to Oud Vietnam. As the holy month of Ramadan approaches, we are excited to share our product. As the holy time of Ramadan, we select the product by our special team to make your blessed season for you and your loved one. At Oud Vietnam, we take pride in selecting the best natural agarwood product for you guys. For Ramadan, we will highly recommend to you our wood chips, perfect for burning during prayer to make a calming atmosphere. Or you can try our incense stick, very suitable for you to burn in your home to make a serene aroma. And after a long day of fasting, to help you guys more relaxation, our essential wood oil will be a very perfect choice. The sweet, woody, earthy skin of this will help you unwind.
This sounds amazing. Do you have gift options for Ramadan?
Absolutely, let me show you. We have prepared this very beautiful gift set ideal for sharing the spirit of Ramadan to your friends and family. And we had various size and budget to suit your needs. Ramadan is just a month over away. Oud Vietnam wish you and your family Ramadan filled with peace, blessing, and joy. We are honored to be part of your celebration. Ramadan Mubarak. If you are looking for high top quality product of agarwood, don't hesitate to visit Oud Vietnam. Let Oud Vietnam be your part of your blessed Ramadan preparation. You can also check for our other platforms like our Instagram account or our website. For more information about the top quality product with the price and quality, please contact us at the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next video.